Something massive just happened at Aptera, and honestly, you need to hear about this immediately, right now. The first Atlas vehicle has officially rolled off the Aptera assembly line, and it is absolutely historic. This is not a rumor, this is not a render, this is not some concept drawing either. This is real. This actually happened. A tiny, passionate team just made something truly extraordinary happen today. Let that sink in for just a moment, because this deserves your full and complete attention right now. A small startup with a surprisingly tiny team just validated their entire vehicle assembly line successfully and completely. Before we go any further, let us quickly talk about Artemis and why that vehicle even mattered before. Artemis was the vehicle that Aptera had been driving around and testing for quite a long time already. You probably saw footage of it rolling around outside looking incredibly sleek, futuristic, and unlike anything else anywhere. But Artemis had one very specific job to do, and it did that job extremely well overall. Its entire purpose was to prove that all of the electronics inside the vehicle actually worked properly together. Everyday people never really stop to think about what is happening underneath the surface of any modern vehicle. You just walk up, press a button, and everything powers on and works like complete magic for you. But behind that magic are dozens of tiny microcontrollers and small computers all talking to each other constantly. Every single system inside that vehicle has to communicate properly, or the whole thing simply falls apart functionally. Aptera needed to prove that every one of those systems could work together in perfect harmony first. And Artemis delivered on that completely. The display worked, the solar panels gave real-time wattage feedback perfectly, the windows were being controlled from a central touchscreen. The door latches responded every single time without fail. That was already an enormous milestone for a company this size, operating with a team this small. But here is the truth that everyone needs to understand right now. Atlas is on a completely different level, because Atlas is not simply about proving the electronics all work together in some kind of functional harmony. Atlas is about proving that the assembly line itself works as a real and repeatable production process fully. That is a completely different category of achievement, and most people are seriously underestimating just how big this is. Think about it this simple way. You can have the greatest product idea in the entire world today, but if you cannot assemble that product consistently, efficiently, and quickly every single time, you have absolutely nothing real. Aptera is now proving without any doubt that they can build these vehicles on a validated, working assembly line. And from everything we have seen through factory walkthroughs and detailed owner club interviews, they are deeply serious about this. Steve walked through that factory with incredible attention to detail, pointing out things most casual observers would completely miss. Jeff from engineering did the exact same thing, analyzing every part of the line with a sharp, critical eye. Aptera is examining every single process involved in assembling one of these vehicles from the absolute ground up, carefully. They are asking precise questions like, how does this wiring harness fit into this specific section right here exactly? Can we make these particular wires slightly longer or shorter to speed up the installation process significantly overall? Every small efficiency improvement that they find compounds over time into a much faster and more capable production line. That is exactly the kind of disciplined thinking that separates companies that survive from ones that quietly disappear forever. And here is the best part that should genuinely excite every single person following this company right now today. You can already clearly see more vehicles sitting on that same assembly line directly behind the first Atlas build. Those vehicles are well on their way to being completed, and that is not a small detail at all. Watching that Atlas vehicle drive out of the factory doors and into open air was genuinely an emotional moment. This vehicle is more feature-complete than anything Aptera has ever rolled out to the public before now. It has a fully working sound system that they have already publicly demoed, and it genuinely sounds great. But here is something critically important that so many people in the community are completely overlooking right now today. Before Atlas existed, Aptera had what they referred to as PI vehicles, which means production intent vehicles specifically. Production intent meant those vehicles were designed to look and feel exactly like the real final production version would. But many of the actual parts inside those vehicles were 3D printed versions made to the correct dimensions only. They were essentially intelligent placeholders, good enough to test systems with, but not the actual real components yet. Atlas changes absolutely everything because every component going into these builds is now a genuine, real production part. No more 3D printed stand-ins anywhere. These are the actual components that will go into real customer vehicles. The steering wheel alone is a perfect and very telling example of this significant jump in overall build quality. Earlier prototype builds had a steering wheel made from lighter and much less durable materials that felt temporary overall. The Atlas steering wheel is constructed from far more rigid and durable materials that feel completely production-ready now. That single difference alone tells you so much about just how far Aptera has come in such little time. And yes, they are going to learn a tremendous amount from this very first Atlas build moving forward now. That is honestly the entire point of building that first one. You build it, you learn, you improve everything. Then you build the next one faster, smarter, and with far fewer mistakes across the entire assembly process overall. That is how every single great manufacturing company in history has ever built their production confidence and quality output. Now let us talk about what is coming next, because this is where things get exciting and slightly bittersweet simultaneously. According to Aptera's own official newsroom post, these Atlas vehicles will undergo some very serious validation testing ahead soon. Thermal performance testing with the HVAC system is on the list, and that is genuinely exciting, important news. Getting the heating and cooling system working properly is absolutely critical for real-world usability and overall driver comfort daily. And I would strongly bet that DC fast charging testing is tied very closely to that thermal validation work, because when you fast charge any electric vehicle, the battery generates significant heat that the system has to manage. Getting that thermal management right means you can actually road trip with this vehicle without worrying about overheating anything. The seats in these Atlas builds will also be noticeably more comfortable compared to the earlier prototype versions used. That detail matters enormously for long drives, for everyday usability, and for the overall satisfaction of future Aptera owners. But here is the part that stings just a little if you are someone who really wants one badly. Some of these Atlas validation vehicles are going to go through full destructive testing. Yes, destructive. Things will break intentionally. Even though Aptera is technically classified as a three-wheeled autocycle, they are doing serious durability and crash testing now. And that means some of these absolutely beautiful Atlas builds are going to be purposely destroyed during the process. I completely understand why it has to happen. Safety validation is non-negotiable, and there are absolutely zero shortcuts allowed here. But watching a vehicle this stunning get deliberately crash-tested when people have waited years does genuinely hurt inside. Aptera, if anyone from your team sees this, I am volunteering right now. Make me your crash test dummy, please. I want one of these vehicles so badly that I am completely beyond ready to move on from my current car. I am honestly so exhausted by the political conversations that my current electric vehicle somehow manages to spark everywhere I go. I do not want to talk politics when I am simply trying to grab groceries and get back home peacefully. I just want to drive a clean, efficient, beautiful electric vehicle and not have to explain anything to anyone ever. And what I genuinely love most about Aptera is that it sparks curiosity rooted completely in science and real physics. People look at it and immediately start asking questions about aerodynamics, about efficiency, and about how the solar charging works. Those are exactly the conversations I actually want to be having. Science, engineering, curiosity, things that teach people something real. Imagine pulling into a parking lot and having someone walk straight over and say, "What on earth is that thing?" And you get to calmly say, "Well, this vehicle actually charges itself using solar panels built directly into the body. That is the entire reason it looks the way it does. That is why the aerodynamics are so extreme. Everything about this vehicle exists for a specific and intentional reason. The shape, the canopy, the three wheels, all intentional. It is genuinely one of the most fascinating and conversation-starting vehicles that exists anywhere on the entire planet right now. And now that we are finally seeing the Atlas in that gorgeous glossy finish, it honestly looks absolutely incredible overall. We had been looking at the matte silver wrap on Aptera vehicles for such a long time it felt permanent. But this glossy version is something completely different. It looks sharp, premium, and genuinely production-ready in every possible way. I would absolutely love to see Aptera explore some completely different colors because that glossy finish works with everything beautifully. I know the launch edition has already been confirmed as silver, and that makes total sense from a branding perspective. But Aptera, listen, you have 9 more validation builds sitting right there on that assembly line behind the first Atlas. You could paint one black, you could do one in white, you could do one in a deep glossy red. Just imagine a hot rod red Aptera in that stunning glossy finish driving down the highway, turning every single head. That would generate so much excitement and give the entire community a real glimpse of future color possibilities ahead. Even if those colors are strictly for internal testing purposes, showing them publicly builds enormous excitement within the community, always. It gives people something specific to debate, something to dream about, and something to look forward to in their delivery. But stepping back from all the wishful color thinking, let us focus on what this specific moment genuinely means now. The assembly line is validated. A production intent vehicle with real production components drove cleanly out of the factory today. That is not a small thing by any measure. That is actually everything for a company at this exact stage. And the vehicles lined up directly behind it on the assembly line are already well on their way to completion. Aptera is building real, unstoppable momentum right now in a way that feels genuinely different from anything before this point. I know a lot of people in this community are exhausted from waiting, and I completely understand that feeling deeply. I want my Aptera yesterday, if I'm being completely and totally honest with everyone following along right now today. But despite all the waiting, despite every delay, despite all the uncertainty that comes with any early-stage company, I feel confident. I have honestly never felt more genuinely confident about the overall state and direction of Aptera as a company today. They have real cash on hand right now, and that alone is something that could not always be said before. Their stock has also had a surprisingly impressive recovery that honestly a lot of people have not even noticed yet. It is not back to where it was at IPO, and most EV stocks across the board are in the same situation, but the bounce back has been real, meaningful, and it happened without any of the hype cycle you might normally expect. What is even more interesting and telling is where the short interest in Aptera currently stands against their closest competitors. There are more people actively shorting Lucid and Rivian on a percentage basis than there are shorting Aptera today. That means even the skeptics, who are literally betting against companies, are less convinced that Aptera is going to fail. And from where I personally stand, that is one of the most quietly bullish signals you can possibly point to. I wish every short seller well, because competition and healthy skepticism keep companies accountable, and that is genuinely good, always. But the data is clearly speaking for itself right now, and it is saying something quite positive about Aptera overall. Now, I want to take a genuinely personal moment here, because what is happening at Aptera means something real to me. I work in the electric vehicle startup world myself, and I understand firsthand just how brutally difficult all of this is. The sheer number of variables involved in getting any vehicle from a concept all the way to a working assembly line is staggering. Supply chain problems, engineering challenges, regulatory hurdles, financial pressures, team coordination, manufacturing tolerances, all happening simultaneously every single day, constantly. And Aptera is managing every single one of those challenges with a team that is genuinely tiny by any standard. Most people following from the outside have absolutely no idea how hard it truly is to reach this exact stage. Validating the assembly line, analyzing every individual process, figuring out how each component fits and installs as efficiently as possible, and then actually watching real vehicles physically roll off that factory floor and drive away completely under their own power. That is insanely difficult to accomplish. That is insanely complicated to coordinate, and Aptera is doing it with minimal resources available. It would honestly be very easy to only focus on what has not happened yet, the deliveries, the customer vehicles, the final dates. But I think it is just as important to pause and genuinely recognize how extraordinary everything that has already happened truly is. A small, passionate team built a solar-powered, three-wheeled electric vehicle and got it rolling off a real working assembly line. That is not nothing. That deserves real recognition and deep respect from absolutely everyone who has been following this incredible journey. So here is exactly where I personally land after watching that first Atlas roll proudly out of the factory doors. I am more excited than I have ever been. I am more hopeful than I have ever been before now. I genuinely believe that deliveries are coming before the end of this year, and I am standing fully behind that belief. Aptera has tackled every right problem in exactly the right order, and the assembly line validation proves that without any doubt. The electronics work perfectly, the production components are completely real, the line is running, the vehicles are actually driving out now. Everything that absolutely needed to happen for this company to move forward has been happening steadily with real, visible, and meaningful progress. And when that very first customer vehicle finally rolls up to someone's driveway, it is going to feel genuinely historic forever. Because it will not just be a simple vehicle delivery. It will be the payoff of years of real patient belief. For every single person who has been following this journey, supporting this company, and holding on through every difficult, uncertain moment, this is for you. The Atlas rolled out of the factory. The assembly line is fully validated. The dream is becoming something undeniably real now. And I, for one, cannot wait to see every single thing that comes next from this remarkable and inspiring little company.